Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox verification code not sending. First, open your email application and carefully check your spam or junk folder. Verification codes frequently appear there. Next, double-check that the email address or phone number registered with your Roblox account is precisely accurate. Many issues stem from simple typos or outdated contact information. Finally, confirm your inbox has enough space to receive new messages, as a full inbox can prevent delivery. A stable internet connection is crucial for receiving verification codes promptly. Confirm your Wi-Fi or cellular data signal is strong and consistent. Intermittent connections can cause delays. Sometimes, simply restarting your internet router can refresh your network, resolving underlying communication issues. Additionally, ensure your Roblox application is updated to the very latest version available. Outdated app versions sometimes contain bugs that interfere with code delivery, making updates a vital step. Navigate to your Roblox account settings and meticulously verify the email address or phone number linked to your two-step verification. Even a small error here can prevent codes from reaching you. If the problem continues, consider temporarily disabling two-step verification and then re-enabling it, which can often reset the system. Take a moment to review your overall account security settings for any unusual configurations that might be blocking communication, ensuring everything looks correct. Sometimes, corrupted temporary files are the culprit. Try clearing the cache and data for your Roblox application on your device. This can resolve many common glitches. Next, attempt requesting the verification code from a completely different device, like a tablet or another phone, or even through a desktop web browser. This helps determine if the issue is specific to your primary device. If using a web browser, try an incognito or private window to bypass any browser extensions that might interfere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.